couldn't get it on camera, but I just disassembled and reassembled in 55 seconds. Woohoo! Just nearly under a minute. My dad thinks he can beat that, so gonna reset. On your marks, get set, go. Please pull the springs apart. Here's the hardest part right here, is aligning the bolt with the pin. Oh, I think he might whoop me. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. 42 seconds. Damn, he just whooped me. Alright, now we gotta do it blindfolded. Alright, Dad. I did it at 55, you did it at 42. I think we're ready for the blindfold. So, what are we gonna use the blindfold? Get something. It's Keltec. It's got a assembly pin is messed up. They always pop out. Yeah. Have to return it to get it fixed again because the assembly pin goes flying out after you shoot 3 bullets. So, yep, that's how they are. Look at that, one hand. If I could just push up the pin on the other side, oh, it's kind of hard. I can't do it, but I used to be able to do it. It's got the extension for your fingers. So, all right, Dad, blindfolded. It's recording. Think you can get it on yourself?
Go first?
Yeah, you can go first. Stupid camera isn't focusing. It says autofocus, but to get it to focus, you have to tap it every time to focus. So it's stupid. So.
Is it all together?
It's all together right now.
Is there a clip? No clip. Okay.
No clip.
Where's the bullet?
Bullet's right there.
Okay. I'm ready.
All right, let me reset this on your marks.
Is this the pin side up?
There's a pin right there. You have to pull it. Remember, you gotta.
Alright, I'm ready.
Your marks, get set, go. That's not the pin, Dad. I don't want you breaking it. There. Snap your fingers off right there if you push that down. Should have had a camera stand. Oh, here's the hard part. Okay, back together. He always does that. He always does that. He does it backwards all the time. He tries putting it in backwards. Pushing in too far, remember. You gotta get it on the first notch, because if you get it on the second notch, it'll jam the gun.
I had it on the first notch and I took it off.
Yeah, you had it on there. I don't know what your problem
Well,
was.
because I thought I might be on the wrong notch. So I wanted to be safe than sorry. Now I screwed it up. Ah, dang it. Here we go. Oh, back out again.
Quit compressing the spring.
No, that's why I get it in there, because then I